Hi, I'm Franz Anthony Israel, ID number s1112388. Our first assessment will be we will implement a BOIP service over a WAN connection in a virtual environment. Now the task is to make a video presentation of the following. Now download and install BOIP server and demonstrate where the video we're going to be narrating the creation of the trunks between two PBX. We'll connect two BIP phones in separate virtual machines and demonstrate the working conversation. Now, in this scenario, I'm gonna create two BIP phones in one PBX, and the second PBX, I'll just create one BIP. In the task, one of the tasks is to install VirtualBox, so I already installed VirtualBox, and I also installed the PBX through this VirtualBox, but I'm not gonna show you anymore the installation of PBX because it really takes time. So I'll just show you how to log in PBX. So I'm gonna start. So assuming that the PBX has already been installed or finished. Just wait, it's loading. So we're gonna log in to PBX, type root, then the password. So here, it's gonna show the first IP address of the PBX will be 10.0.0.62. So we can check the connection if it's by going to the PBX website. So we go to Mozilla. Here, we're gonna type the IP address, that's 10.0.0.62. So we're connected to PBX website. So we're gonna log into the PBX administration to configure the trunks and the outbound route. So I'll just log in first. So I have created the account. I'll just continue. So here we'll also log in the second PBX. So we'll run it. So here we're gonna log in. Type root, then the password. We'll just close this one first. There's an error. Power off. We're gonna log in again so that the IP address will show. Uh, yeah. So here, it's showing here that the IP address of the second PBX is 107. 10.0.0.0.107. So we're gonna type also the IP addresses. It's 10.0.0.107. So we're now connected here to PBX. As in the task, we are to create a BIP. So I installed already Ubuntu. So I'm not gonna show you how I install it because it really takes time to install it again. So there's one. The first two Ubuntu will be installing Zoiper 1 and Zoiper 2 in the same. They will be in the same IP address, and the third one will be the Zoiper soft phone for the another trunk for the another IP address. So I'll show you how to start up the Ubuntu by I will just try this third one so that I will just show you how to install it. You're gonna run Ubuntu. I already ran the other two because sometimes there will be an error if they're running together. I won't be able to install Zoiper. So click try Ubuntu. Just use the trial. So here in Ubuntu, we're gonna download Zoiper so that we'll have a soft phone in this device, in this machine. So we'll click Mozilla. By downloading, we'll just search Zoiper free download. So we'll select the Linux because we're in the Linux. Download and Debian package, and we'll just select save for the so that we can open it in archive. So we'll just wait for the Zyper to finish and install it. So here we are to connect two BIPs from separate virtual machines. There are two different PBX, PBX1 and PBX2. In PBX1, I will install two soft phones, and in PBX2, I'll install one soft phone. So with the three soft phones, I'll try to connect from PBX1 to PBX2. So here, I'll continue. I'll just wait for the third one, so that it will be ready for the extensions. So here, after download complete, you just click it and we'll run the installation. So we'll click install. Okay, so we'll just close this one, close the Firefox. I'll go here, we'll search for Zyper. So Zyper is already installed, so it's ready to use. Then we'll just continue as free user, and here you're gonna type the IP address. So here in Mozilla, we're gonna create extension for the first PBX. The IP address is 1.0.0.0.62. So first, we're gonna create extension. We're gonna create two. That will be the from in two soft phones in Ubuntu 1 and Ubuntu 2. So let's go to extension, add extensions, and select the fourth one, PGC zip extension. Then here we'll set the extension name is, we'll use 2000 for the first soft phone. We'll just name display in France. Then outbound caller ID 2000. The password, we'll just delete it so that there's no need to use the password. I will just change this one to 200 because I think it's been used, the IP address. So 200 that number has already been used. Then username, password. Then we submit. We'll not put username. Submit. Oh, it will not allow if we not put password. There was an error. Back. So here again, we just put 200. It will not allow me to if I not put an IP password. Friends, put 200. Then for I'll also put 200 for the password. This is here, same here. 200 for the password. Just to, it's easier to remember. We'll check next tab. Enable. Advance. Then we'll go submit. Then we'll apply config. Then we create another extension, additional soft phone in the trunk. So we'll create a 201. Then we'll just put calyx for this. Then the caller ID. We'll put the secret password as same. Easier to remember. Then submit. Apply config. On the other IP address, PBX2, we also create an extension that would be in Ubuntu 3 here in this one. That will be the, I'm just gonna delete this one. This was an old one. Delete. Apply. So I'm gonna create new extension. So select the fourth one. We'll name it to 300. Name it to Israel. So the outbound caller ID will be also 300. And the password, I'll just create the password for 300. Secret. That's the secret. 300. Then submit. Then apply config. So to be able to connect to the outside, we are to create a trunk. So we'll go to trunk, connectivity, trunks. Then to trunk, we add trunk. Then we'll name the trunk. The trunk will be trunk 200 to 300. So I'll just copy here to put it as a caller ID. I'll click continue BCC because sometimes the internet is slow. There will be a 503 error. So I'll put it yes. Then next, dial manipulation. So here the pattern, we give a pattern of 3. That will be the outside soft phone. So we'll put XX so that it could call any number starting with 3 with any following numbers with 3 digits. Then the zip server will be the IP address of the other PBX so that you could connect to PBX 10.0.0.0.107. We'll put it as zip server. So we'll just select the opposite IP address where we're gonna connect. Then we're gonna submit and apply config. So here we'll also add trunk that will connect to the other PBX. So trunk, I'll just delete this one. This is an old one. Delete. So add trunk. This time this will be the trunk from 300 to 200. So I'll just copy outbound caller ID. Then I'll enable continue busy because sometimes the internet is so slow. Then data manipulation, the manipulation number, where's the prefix? This will be 2XX. That will be any number starting with 2 digits, like in 200. Any number following starting with 2, it will connect. So we'll go to the settings. We'll put the IP address. This will be from the IP address of the opposite trunk that you were gonna connect. So that will be the 1.0.0.62 because it will connect to the trunk. The trunk will connect to the opposite IP address. So we'll submit. Then here we already added a trunk. Going back to PBX1, we also create an outbound route. So we're gonna add. So here, the route name will be just create name route 200 to 300. Then the password, I'll just take it off. Then we'll select the trunk 200 to 300. Next, the dial pattern. We'll also put the dial pattern to 3XX. That will be the number gonna be used on the opposite PBX. Export pattern. Then we're gonna submit, apply config. So we go to the second PBX. We also gonna create outbound route. I'll just delete this one. It's an old one. So outbound route, we just name it to route 300 to 200. I'm just gonna take away the password. Then I'll select the trunk from 300 to 200. Then the dial pattern as well, so that it can call to the to PBX1 with a number starting with 2, following with any numbers with any numbers presenting with XX. Then apply config. Submit so that we can add it and apply config. I'll just check the trunk for this one. You zip. Yeah, it's ready. Now our trunks, our PBX are ready. So we're gonna try the Ubuntu. We'll set the these first two. This will be from IP address 10.0.0.0.62, which the numbers assigned to them is the extension are 200 and 201. So here we'll create an account to 200 at the IP address where which PBX it belong. So 10.0.0.62. Then we'll just type the password, log in. That's the IP address where the extension belongs. Next, skip. So SIP is found, so we'll connect it. So press next, just skip it, and here we're ready to dial. It is connected. We also this one, the second cell phone is also in the same. It's an extension of IP address 10.0.0.0.62. So this should be the first PBX extension as well. So the number is 201. That's the second extension we made. At IP address is 10.0.0.0.62. So I'll just type the password 201 again. So this is the PBX IP address where they belong. Press next, skip. So SIP is found, then press next, skip. So we're ready to dial. We'll try to call 200 to 2. They're the same in the same PBX, so we'll just try to call if it's showing. So it's ringing. So we'll check Ubuntu 1. If it's ringing here, it's showing that it's also receiving a call from 201. So I'll just put it down. So both of these soft phones in the same PBX are working. This one is from IP address 10.0.0.0.62. Both of them, they belong to the same PBX. So we'll try the third soft phone that belong to the other IP address, which is 10.0.0.0.7. So we'll try to put the number on. So the number will be 300 at 100.0.0 that it belongs to 107 PBX. Then we put the password. Yep, this is the IP address of the PBX. 2. Skip. Let's see if yep, SIP is found. Skip. Yep, it's online. So we'll try to connect the different trunk. With the use of the trunk, we were able to connect outside world. So they're in different IP. So here in the separate trunk, it belongs to PBX with IP address 10.0.0.0.107. So I'll try to call the other PBX, the extension of PBX 10.0.0.0.62. So where the number of PBX soft phone 1 is 200 and soft phone 2 is 201. They're the same IP address where it's 10.0.0.0.62, and I'm trying to call it from here 300 where the IP address is 10.0.0.0.17. So I'll dial 200 if it's connecting. Sometimes data is slow, it will have an error. So I'll just try.
All circuits are busy now.
See, it's
Please
always
try your call
error
again later.
because the connection is there's an the internet is slow, so it's not connecting. But actually,
All circuits are
it will
busy
connect.
now. Please try your call again later.
We'll try again later.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
So we'll just wait for the number is. I'll try to connect from the other one. So 300. I hope the internet is not slow because sometimes if it's slow, it's gonna be
All
hitting.
circuits are busy now.
See,
Please try your
it's
call
still
again later.
the connection is still busy. So we'll try again later.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Try.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
This error is
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
mm, we'll just wait.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Just refresh. Go to admin. Just refresh. We'll try to call again. I hope there's luck.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Still busy.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Network is still busy.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Something busy here. Just double check. But actually, that was just happened because of the traffic, internet traffic. That's why I cannot call. It's busy. But actually, it's calling. I'll try again.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Still busy.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
We'll just wait for a minute. Call.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Network is still busy. Call again.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
We'll try to 1 to 1. We'll try to 300.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Still busy.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Mhm.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
I'll try 201. Yeah. The network is still busy, is that calling?
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later. All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Network is busy. I call.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later. All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
I just can't connect because it's busy. But actually, that's an internet error because sometimes the PBX have a traffic, so you won't be able to connect. You just wait. Try again.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later. All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
I'll just wait. I'll just refresh. I'll just save in save state. I'll turn it on again. I'll run it again. I'll just do a refresh. Okay. I'll start it again. No, start. It says busy here code. I hope it will connect now. Just having an error with it. There's a traffic. That's why there's an error. So I'll try again.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Hmm.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Network is busy.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
We'll try to ping. Yeah, it's pinging. It's connecting to the other to PBX2. But the problem is we just cannot connect the phone right now because it's busy. We'll try again. We'll call again.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later. All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Sometimes the internet is just too slow. There's traffic in the PBX, so you won't be able to call the
All
other
circuits
number.
are busy now.
But
Please try your call again later.
200.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Just close this one first. We'll try to ping to the PBX2. It's connected. Ping. We're in PBX2, so we'll ping PBX1 that where the IP address 1.0.0.62. Yeah, it's connected. We're just having problem with the internet connection right now. That's why it cannot call to outside. But I'll try again.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Busy. It's still busy. Service unavailable. Wait for 5 minutes. Still busy. Still busy. try.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Still busy. But actually, it's already connecting. That we'll try 200 if it's ringing within the network. 201. So it's calling to because they're the same PBX. This one is in 201. I'll just reject it. We try to call the 300 from the other PBX.
All circuits are busy
Still
now.
busy.
Please try your call again later.
Internet is busy. Zoiper.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Causes traffic.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later. All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
Network is busy.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later. Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
See?
Please check the number and dial again.
It's not connected if it's not the number you're calling, it will not connect. You got the wrong
Your
number.
call cannot be completed as dialed.
So
Please check the number and dial again.
if it's within the number you're set up, it will call. But
All circuits are busy now.
now it
Please
just
try
cannot
your
connect
call
because it's
again
busy.
later.
Here, it's ringing now. So now we're connected. We're here in Ubuntu 1, 3, where the IP address is 107. Then here in Ubuntu 2, where the zipper is 200 at 1060. So we'll accept. Hello? Yes. I'll just hang up. So here in 200, we'll try to call the 300 where the IP address is 1.0.0.107. That error is just because of the traffic in the internet. So we'll check Ubuntu 3. It shows that there's an incoming call. Just accept it and down. We'll try 201 if it's connecting. Yep, it's connecting. See, it's 201. We're calling. We'll check it's an Ubuntu 2. See, we have a call from 300, which is in the 107 PBX. So we'll just accept it. So down. So sometimes with the internet is slow or something, like there's a traffic within the network, you won't be able to connect the call. It will just connect PC, and if you dial the wrong number, where each which you did not you were not able to set up in the trunk, it won't accept the number. It was just wrong. It was a wrong number. But you set up the range, the exact number. It will If it will not connect, it will just say busy. The number is busy. So that's it. I was able to connect two separate two BUI phones in separate machines and working together with between two PBX server. So I hope this will be enough video. It's been like an hour because of the connection is too slow and there's a traffic with in the network. So thank you and good morning.